There'll be a big hole down there. That's the cage that was used for descending the shaft, or at least one of the cages. There's two cages in each shaft, one going up and one coming down. All riveted construction. The little building there, that was probably the powder store where they kept the explosives. Some old tubs. And that looks like an old winch behind them. It says an old steam winch. Twin cylinder thing. Appears to be complete as well. Herringbone gear. A lot of wire on that drum. There's a drive gear and two eccentrics here. Obviously it's got a reverse so you can power in and power out. It's complete. This would certainly be store. Even the bearings are in there. It's a bronze bearing in the bottom, just a steel one on the top, because the bottom one does all the weight with the weight of the drum. Big end brass there, wedge to adjust it. Crosshead and crosshead guide. It'd be a nice thing to have in the garden, but I'm not sure what Debs would think about it. It's actually heading towards one of the main winding shafts under the headgear that's existing. The other headgear was removed. That's the actual shaft cap there. There's an inspection cover. I would imagine the shaft will still be open underneath. And this is the top of the other shaft. You see how the headgear's been burnt off. Where the support legs have been. So we're actually standing right on top of the second shaft. And coal cutter there. And the hydraulic roof supports that held the roof of the face up. Big tungsten tips in here. There's a one. I used to rip through the coal. It would fall on a conveyor and then out of the mine. And the space behind the props or the roof supports was called the goof, and that used to just collapse by itself, just to fall down. As the face advanced, it used to just collapse behind. All the coal was removed. There was no supporting pillars left in. Total collapse system. That's a much smaller coal cutter, which is attached onto the same machine. The same machine had two cutting heads. This was an emergency winch in case anything went wrong with the main winding gear. It's actually got a straight head Gardner diesel in there. National Coal Board, Northwestern Division Emergency Winding Engine. They've got two in Scotland, main museum in Scotland. I went to, that's two there as well. It's a big bastard, this, so. That is some engine, that. That's a big end. Those bolts will fly out and lift this up against that spring, which will lift that, which will close the steam valve off.